very annoying. So we.
One time only. Okay.
Yeah.
Three, two, one, action.
We are Turchicpidgeonkenkey, and
Even I can pronounce that.
this is our first video.
Okay.
And we decided to try this challenge called Silent Challenge, which is eating bunch of food that makes a lot of noise silently. So
Okay.
we're gonna use decibel
Okay.
to manage the.
To make sure that we're not eating so loudly.
You cannot go over 50 decibels. So
And we must finish within
5 minutes.
5 minutes, nice.
And if you go over, you will get this.
So it's a couples challenge or?
Yes, it's a couples challenge.
sakit
5 minutes,
It's not holding the tag. It's not painful. It's just very annoying. So we.
One time only. Okay.
Yeah.
So what are the food on the table?
So we have asam laksa Maggi mee.
Okay.
We have jalapeno Cheetos,
Okay.
and we have not Starbucks. we have
Vanilla Coke.
Vanilla Coke.
Okay.
Yes, when you drink this a lot, you
Okay.
probably burp.
Okay.
Okay, so there's a reason why our name is called Turchicpidgeonkenkey.
Why? And I don't know this, right?
Yes, so it's inspiration from How I Met Your Mother.
Nice.
So it was during their Thanksgiving, and then Ted was stuffing spoilers. That was stuffing
It's not spoilers, it's
chicken
too
and
loud.
Turkey.
yeah, chicken and pigeon. Is it?
No, chicken turkey, but we wanted pigeon.
Okay.
Kita nak extra.
Yeah, we just want extra. So yeah, so this is our first video. So hope you enjoy it.
Okay. Azhar, you got anything to say?
Let's get on with the challenge, just lose.
Just carry on talking, guys.
Yeah.
Just carry on talking. It's
Okay, let's go. Let's start with the challenge. At the top, we have RJ and Azhar with the first hit. Okay, they are strategizing and somebody is enjoying this. Oops, Farhan has his first hit. Then RJ, number 2, number 3, number 4. 4 hits. Okay, now they are eating slowly. And Rusty got her first hit. Okay, you can see this is quite boring from Farhan and Rusty. Okay, they put the crackers in their mouth and slowly trying to dissolve drinks. Okay, now we have Azhar. Oh, what voice is that? Or what sound is that? I think it's the ambient sound. Okay. Oh, number 5. Azhar had his 5th hit, as in a team hit. Okay, so Farhan and Rusty trying to play it slow. Azhar and RJ is also trying to play it slow, trying to get the noise below the decibel meter of 50. Okay, first minute over. As it stands now, RJ and Azhar 5, Farhan and Rusty 2. Now we go into the 2nd minute mark of this silent challenge. Farhan getting his 3rd hit. And Azhar trying to get all the soup out of the mee so that he doesn't need to slurp so loudly. Oh, Azhar is preparing to hit Farhan because he is hitting the noodle and the noodle makes a lot of noise. Okay, now we can see that what Farhan is trying to do is basically to just eat the noodles dry. Now it's RJ's turn to eat the noodles. So far, over at the 2 minutes mark, there's not much difference. And as you can see, we got RJ and Azhar 5 and Farhan and Rusty 3. Farhan got his 4th hit going into the 3rd minute mark. Wow, somebody's getting cocky. Oh, Farhan gets his 5th hit. RJ getting his Sorry, her 6 and 7 hit. Not again, it's a spoon. Farhan got his 6th hit. Oh, does that sound like a snort from Azza? 8th and 9th hit from RJ. 10, 11, 12 hit just because Azza snorted and she laughed and she can't concentrate. Okay, over at the 3rd minute mark, RJ and Azza 12, Rusty and Farhan 6. 2 minutes left into the game and the cameraman is getting bored. Let's recap. And again. And again. Will Rusty and Farhan defend their lead or throw everything under the drain? Oh, that's the 7th hit for Farhan. And the 8th seems like they are going to throw everything under the drain and Azza and RJ will catch up to them. No. That's not a hit. That's ambient sound. The people on top of the making a lot of noise. Oh, and 9th. That's the 9th hit. That's the 9th hit. I repeat again. That's the 9th hit. Okay, so the spoon again. How many times must I tell you? The spoon. That's 10th. 10 hits for Farhan and Rusty. And over at the 4th minute mark, they have 10 hits and 1 minute left. Okay, Farhan is trying not to burp so loudly as always. Okay, so he's eating quietly. Okay, Rusty tackling the spoon issue, the soup issue, and number 11. One more point and they have a draw. Oh, now it's a draw. 12 points for Farhan and Rusty and RJ and Azza. Oh, are they gonna stick to 12 points? Or somebody is going to throw the points away. And 5 minutes is over. Current points, RJ and Azza 12, Rusty and Farhan 12. Can RJ and Azza hold on to a draw? It seems like no. 13 points already. And 14 and 15. 15 points for RJ and Azza. Oh, the spoon is making noise again. They must be very careful with the spoon. And 16, 17, 18. 18 points. And most of the hits was gotten from, and 19 points from none other than our own RJ. No, it's the ambient sound. Revenge is sweet. 4 minutes is over. 1 minute left. 21 points. Oh, what is this cameraman doing? Hey, it's so shaky. Okay, seems like they are eating it fast. Doesn't matter what the points are. Cameraman, don't pan so fast. It's the headache, you know. 22 points for RJ. Seems like Azza is trying his best, but I don't know what to say. Oh, slurping. Okay, 5 minutes is up.
So did you finish your challenge?
No. Oh, it's hot. No, are you is terrible at it.
Okay.
Not really that, alright?
You slurp so loud. Why do you slurp?
Because we need to finish it. No, I think we're counting how many hits you get, right?
But we need to finish also.
No lah, impossible to finish within 5 minutes. So many things.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay, on to the next. At least the noodle finish lah.
No, you don't have. They still have. I think I'm blind. I'll still finish it. I don't waste food. What is this? Kenapa dia keras sangat? disgusting. Okay. I don't drink this
Coke.
one. I cannot drink.
Excuses.
You, because I will get hiccups.
That's part of the challenge.
It will last the whole day.
Not my problem.
It's the spoon is a problem.
The spot is.
Excuse me, that's my phone, huh?
Should have just used like plastic spoon.
Yeah, I never think about it.
But we don't have plastic spoon.
Oh yeah.
There's no need.
No need, there's only one camera.
Okay, so we are done, right?
Yes.
The challenge. And who's the winner? No!
The one with the most hits.
With 20 hits, and then you got 2 hits, and then they have 22, and then we got
I don't know.
12.
13, 12.
12. 12. Yes! And we are the winner.
I'm still hungry.
What you win, huh? It's
I don't
just
know.
nonsense, no need to win anything.
Why are you braiding my jeans?
Order food lah.
I'm hungry. I guess.
Yeah. Okay.
We gotta say a catchphrase.
Yeah.
Turchic.
So lame.
I love chicken.
We are the pigeons.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yeah.
Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.
3, 2, 1, action.